right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where I eat something spicy. You just sit back and watch. You don't have to do anything. Just let me do all the heavy lifting. I've got something crazy today. This box right here, this big box, came about 2 weeks ago, maybe not even that. And this is Culley's World's Hottest Ramen 2.0. And here's what it looks like. It's the 1.0 really did a number on me. It was strong. It meant business. It jacked me up. And I've got a little bit of preparation that I'm going to do for this one. One thing I need is a fork. That's what this is. And then I need a bowl with said noodles. So here's a little clip of the noodles as they sit right now. And the next thing you're seeing, this is some B-roll of the cooking video from when I cooked it earlier. And yeah, it's interesting. You add everything but a topping to a bowl with a cup of boiling water, and then you microwave it for about 2 minutes. It said 1 to 2 minutes. I used 2 minutes at 70%, which I put it right around 1,000 watts. And yeah, so that's what I did. I'm going to prep for this. I generally don't do this, but after last time and things that I've learned about how my system reacts to Carolina Reapers, first off, I'm going to have some of this. This is probiotic yogurt drink, and I think this is gonna probably save my gut from a lot of wrenching pain. I've got the bowl, I've got a fork, I've got the stuff, and I'm worried about this. I don't know how this is gonna affect me. I know it's gonna be rough. You know, set your timers, set your phasers to stun. And I'm going to, there's a contest involved. It involves on who can eat this the quickest. And I'm just going to shovel this stuff down and we'll see. All right, I've been waiting to do this. Ready, set, go. It's very hot. That's going to be the problem for me. I should have let it cool longer. It's starting to feel flush. Oh, the hiccups. Oh, it's coming, folks. Oh my God. I need a spoon. Oh. Ugh. Done. Get my head. Wow. I am feeling the tingling. I'm talking to you from inside of I'm like in a windstorm. I feel like I'll be talking to you like this and I'm in a windstorm. Yeah. Electricity. Oh my God. Not getting the gut ache yet. My dogs are looking at me like I'm insane. Not as bad as I expected. Pretty freaking crazy. Wow. That is the world's hardest ramen, folks. That is mean. Okay. I did. I hope it recorded that. Okay, so much for the afterburn. That is rough. So last time I did this, like I mentioned, I had some serious cramping, gut pain. My thought would be maybe some bread. Try to soak it up in my gut. Wow. Serious freaking stuff right here. Wowie zowie. I don't know. All right, hey, so it's the next day. I wanted to give you a little heads up about what happened after I ate this thing and I signed off yesterday. So I got a bit of a headache, and after about 40 minutes, I started getting some gut pain. The effects of that, they settled down in a bit, but you know, it's the next day. Gut issues, not too bad. All in all, it was really quite an experience. If you really like hot and spicy, this is gonna change the way you think of hot and spicy, at least to me a little bit. I found that it wasn't as much of the heat, but more of the sensation. It's like I started chomping that stuff down, and I'm like, whoa. It was like almost like getting high off of it. The amount of endorphins was just through the roof.
And so when, asked, is it spicier than this? Is it spicier than that? It's so spicy that it like transcends spiciness. It's got ghost pepper, it's got Carolina Reaper, it's got a lot of both, and it blew my mind. So I can quite honestly say this is the spiciest thing you'll ever find in the noodle department. Right now, at least, and I really hope they don't eclipse it or somebody comes along with something they think is spicier, because then I'm going to have to try it and go through all this crap again. Big thanks to Mr. Culley for sending this. I asked him, so where can people get this? When can they get it? This is going to be available sometime in March of 2024. So once that happens, I'll update this post and this video to tell you where you can actually buy this variety. Okay, so don't bug me until then. I will be more than happy to let you know. I'll make a big deal out of it. Anyways, yeah, I'm alive, and it was crazy, and wow. Yeah, so, all right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your spiciness and everything each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.